almost personal reading for All Saints Collective. I usually do this reading for soulmate twin flames. This is not your regular connection reading. Okay, so if you are in a very normal connection and there's nothing weird about it, this is not your reading. Okay, so let's start. I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to the channel and happy month of Fab. I hope the Fab is Fab for you. Okay, so yeah, let's start. All those who have already purchased the personal reading from me, you'll be getting it by the 5th of Fab. Okay, been little off and been little unwell as well, so couldn't do a reading for the past 2 days. So yeah, what's happening with you guys? What's okay? Right now we have the King of Swords, which tells me that recently or quite recently you guys could have cut someone out from your life or spoken the truth to this person. That is, if this person approached you. If this person did not approach you, you're still trying to be in that practical, logical mindset. Okay, what else? What else is happening? Okay, with Emperor here, I believe right now you're trying to be more in control of your life. You do not want someone to control your life. I believe someone in the past very much messed up with you. I mean, like they were totally in control with how you felt, what you felt, and how you behaved. So this person was trying to manipulate you as well. I see a very dominating energy around you in the past. But in the past couple of days, you could have also missed this person very bad. Like you were terribly missing them for out of nowhere. And it made no sense, right? But right now, you're trying to be more in control. You do not want to give in much into your emotions now. You're trying to stay practical for your better good. Okay. One more card. What else do we see happening? With Page of Pentacles, I believe if you are not getting communication from your person, I do feel the reason why is because this person is hiding something from you. Like they are lying to you or they have been lying to you. I believe for many of you, darling, don't get me wrong here. I believe they've been entertaining someone else. Okay. If someone does not approach you for 3 months and more, one thing could be guilt that they had done you wrong. One thing could be they are entertaining someone else. If it's 6 months and more, chances are they are already in another connection. Because a person can go 6 months without talking to someone they believe they are in love with. I mean that shit makes no sense until they are possibly in, arrested or something or behind bars. Without 6 months of communication, it's not possible, right? So yeah. So what else do we see coming up in your life? With strength in the reverse, many of you guys feel like you do not have the strength necessary to move forward in this connection that you were a part of. Okay, some of you might totally start something new. Okay, I believe that very soon, within the next 2 weeks, I see you meeting someone new. Some of you might have already met someone new, but this person could be attractive, but you might not develop that sort of feelings for them at the very start because you are already invested. Even if you are trying to move on from someone from the past or from your recent past, you still have feelings for them. And when you have that sort of feelings for someone, it takes you a significant amount of time before completely giving into another connection, right? I believe you're going to find this person attractive. You might start communication, but I do not see you having that sort of interest. Okay, but I do feel you guys meeting someone new. If you're not open to that, that's your fucking problem, not mine. Okay, so what else is coming up in your life for the next let's take a week. With Queen of Pentacles, I believe right now you're going to nurture your soul and yourself more than you ever have. Okay, with the death in the past, I believe in the past you were very much ignoring yourself, ignoring your needs, ignoring the fact that you deserve better and you deserve the right person. Sometimes you can be in love with the wrong person at the wrong time. So I believe that you were in love with someone who wasn't really ready to possibly take control over the situation. And sometimes when we are overly giving, right, like sometimes we do too much for someone, they always believe that no matter how many times they fuck up, we are always going to be there, and that mentality totally fucks up the connection. So you need to set boundaries, darling. You cannot let someone walk all over you and call that love. That is not love. That is them possibly controlling your life and controlling what you want and what you get from them. That is nowhere healthy and nowhere balanced. A connection, if not balanced, should be not entertained, to be honest. I know that sounds very wrong, but that's how I see it now. Okay, one more card for what your person is going through. One more card for what your person is going through. Okay, your person is terribly missing you. Okay, with Five of Pentacles, they are very much missing you. In the past, we have Knight of Cups. For selected few of you, I believe that your person could have reached out, tried to be extremely sweet, and you're like, what the fuck is this person up to? You know, when they behave sweet, they are definitely up for something, right? They are definitely manipulating you, or they want something from you, maybe money, sex, I do not know what. But yeah, with Four of Wands, this person is very much thinking about you now, like very much in their feelings. Okay, so what are their intentions towards you now? What are their intentions towards you now? With Two of Wands, if I tell you their intentions, I would say that in the past they were happy that this shit ended. Like they were like they had that relief, you know, that finally, oh my god, this is over. I know I don't have to possibly run away, or possibly feel that guilt. It's finally over, right? But right now they are trying to stay open to you now. Unavailability is soon going to be them wanting to chase you now. Okay, with top card we have Eight of Swords. So trust me when I say this, it could be that for some of you, your person was stuck with a karmic, or was stuck with their situations. Sometimes situations could also be karmic, where someone does not have money to move forward towards you, or to have a connection with you, or possibly let go of their family in order to choose you, or let go of their job in order to choose you, or let go of their past ways of thinking, or thinking pattern to choose you. Something was definitely getting in the way, but I believe with Eight of Swords, they were majorly overthinking. The reason why they could not make a move was because they were over analyzing, overthinking, trying to see the pros and the cons, and possibly like let that shit affect their mindset, right? So I believe right now, overall, I see them wanting to stay open to you, regardless if they have a person or not. Okay, one card for the current feelings for you. One card for the current feelings for you. With the Star card, they are still in their feelings, okay? Or if they were trying to move on, or possibly trying to get away from you, which they were, I believe with the Star card, suddenly they feel this rush of feelings again. Like suddenly they want this connection all over again. Like, I want you now, you know? I guess you don't want me now, so I want you now. Kind of that energy I'm getting, okay? So, one card for, like, what do they truly have for you now? If I may ask, what do they truly have for you? The Tower card, this is a sudden rush of feelings. They thought that you would never get away, and you got away. And now they are suddenly freaked out. There's this Tower moment that happened in their life that freaked them out. I mean, you must have given up, or you are giving up, or you give that energy that you are done. Okay? I'm talking to those people who know what they are doing, and who know that this is not right for them, or who could have quite recently even told them or given them an idea that they are not here to possibly be breadcrumbed, or possibly be walked all over. If that particular person could not give them that solid commitment, they are walking away. And for those, I believe your person is very much wanting to change things now. Okay, for those who are still begging them, still wanting them, still crying for them, still dying for them, I believe that is going to continue till the time you see your worth. I'm not trying to hurt you here. Like people sometimes are very weird, where they feel sometimes when I force them to see that they are possibly begging for something that is minimal, or possibly not even worth their time, they start hating me. I don't give a fuck about that. But you know unless you know your worth, and unless you're not begging for someone to choose you, they are never going to see your like what you are to them, or what you can be there for them, right? But I believe you should wake up, and once you are in that energy where you finally know your worth, and you finally know that you're not in this for to be a third person or a second option. I never want any one of you to be a second option, right? When you're just a second option, I mean, that is not considered love. That is like having a, I don't know, that word would be very wrong, but that is like having a mistress, right? Where you're just wanting another person when your first connection goes wrong, or your first connection gets like possibly gets disturbed, right? So I wanted to be the first person, and not the second and the third person, right? That's why I try to be a bit rude, but that is my way of doing it. One card for what are their intentions towards you, like what are they wanting to do towards you, Yeah, with Ten of Pentacles, many of them might think of what if I choose this person, how is my life going to be like. I'm not saying commitment, but usually Ten of Pentacles means commitment. But they might think now of what it would be like to have a family. Like they are thinking of the future with you. Like what if, what if I do this? Okay. So what are they, or how are they going to behave about this? So how are they going to behave about this, and how are they going to act on it? Right now this person is very much stalking you and keeping a watch as to what you are up to. Like they're literally stalking your social media, or possibly even asking your common friends as to what you are up to recently. Like if you do not have a social media, they could be asking your friends. But if you are a cave person with no friends and no social media, that is your problem. Okay, so with Five of Cups, I definitely see them missing you right now, like terribly missing you. So one card for what you can expect in terms of action. What can you expect in terms of action? I see them trying to make a move forward. Okay. In the past, they were very much in their feelings, but some of them did reach out, some of them did not reach out. But majorly, you guys are getting communication. I believe this first week of Fab, all of you, not all of you, but at least 70% of you guys are going to get communication. Please do like the video. Let's keep it positive, and let's manifest this communication from your person. Okay, like one card for where this is going for now, where this is going for now, where this is going for now. Okay, with the Devil card and the Moon card, I believe your person cannot walk away from you. They've always been in denial, or they've always been immature when it comes to their feelings or how they express their feelings. Okay, with the Devil card, they cannot set themselves free from you. With the Moon card, they know they have shit for you. It's just that they are not ready to face it. They are always in denial. Like they are fearful of expressing or accepting the fact that they have some strong shit for you. Okay, bottom card we have Queen of Swords, top card we have the World card. So how do they see the situation they share with you? How do they see that? Oh fuck, I dropped the cards. With the Hanged Man right now, they feel like everything is stagnant, but they also believe that you are done. Like you with Ten of Swords have gone through too much shit to be waiting any longer. Okay, with Ten of Wands, they feel like you're too overburdened to be holding on to this connection. You're possibly done with the connection. That's how they view you. Yeah. Like they know that you're still holding on, but they also know that you're going to give up pretty soon, or you must have given up by now. Okay. With Temperance card, they believe that you're trying to balance your life, or you're trying to heal from what they made you go through. Some of them could also believe that you might be talking to someone else. Okay. And one more card for what they think you are up to. What do they think you are up to? With the Empress card right now, they feel like you're focusing on yourself, like you are choosing yourself. With Empress card, they also believe that you're focused on your personal growth now, and if they are not giving into that, then you'll possibly choose something else that is going to be for your highest good. Okay, with Four of Cups, in the past they also believed that you were ignoring them, or you were possibly rejecting them. But right now with Four of Pentacles, they feel that you are saving yourself. You are no longer wanting to be a part of something that is getting no fucking way. Okay. One last card for where it's going for now. Where it's going for now. Where it's possibly going for now. With Ace of Wands, I definitely see a big new beginning coming in your life. And with Five of Swords, your person is guilty for hurting you. And I see a possible, I won't say this person would completely apologize, but they'll try to behave sweet, and it's going to come off quite indirect. I won't say it's going to come off directly to you. Okay, so this person might say something that comes off very sweet, and you're like, what the fuck is wrong with them? They're just guilty that they hurt you. Okay, top card we have is Two of Swords, bottom card we have is Ace of Swords. So if this person told you that they do not have feelings for you, or they are done with you, they were just lying. Okay, so let's take confessions from your person. So what's your person wanting to say, or what should you be knowing about your person? Give me two cards, Spirit. backed off since you've been gone. So they could either believe that you backed off since they left, or they believe that they backed off since you left. It could go either way. So take however it resonates. Backed off since you've been gone. So for some of you, they might be blaming you that the reason why they backed off because you left, or you've been absent, or you've been away. Okay. So what else, Spirit? What else? Regrets hurting you, just like I told you, right? The cards just speak to me now. Regrets hurting you. So this person very much regrets hurting you. Okay. um Emotions being expressed moving forward. So for many of you, this person will possibly surprise you by expressing their feelings for you, okay, or shock you, I would say. The problem, however, is that some of them are already involved elsewhere, red flags, or they could believe that you are involved elsewhere, okay. So take however way it resonates in your case. I believe for some of you, you believe the reason why this could not work is because of karmic blockages. Okay, so this is what I have for you, and this is your reading. Be kind enough to hit the like button if it resonates. It greatly helps my channel. All those who wish to get your reading done quite personally, one to one, your personal reading, please reach out on my website, and you could book one for yourself, like limited seats now. And yeah, for all those who wish to donate to the channel, you could just go down and just use the applause option to possibly donate. I mean, that's something new that YouTube has come up with. Okay, so it's going to be down like near the like and the unlike button. So yeah, thank you so much, and see you soon, guys. Cheers.